Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on streaming services with Hulu detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on streaming services with Hulu, start by evaluating your current streaming needs. Assess the types of shows and movies you watch frequently. Consider whether you prefer on-demand content or live TV options. Create a Hulu account if you haven't already. Take advantage of Hulu's free trial period to explore its offerings. Identify the subscription plan that best fits your viewing habits. Hulu typically offers several plans, including the ad-supported option. Review the ad-free plan if you desire an uninterrupted viewing experience. Explore the bundle options available with Hulu. Hulu often partners with other streaming services, like Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Bundling can provide significant savings if you enjoy content from all these platforms. Consider sharing your Hulu account with family or friends. Hulu allows multiple profiles on one account, enabling shared access. Keep an eye out for promotional deals or discounts. Utilize the Hulu student discount if you're eligible. Many streaming services offer reduced rates for students. Check for any specific yearly subscription discounts. Paying for an entire year upfront can often save you money compared to monthly plans. Regularly review your viewing habits. Remove shows or movies that you no longer watch from your watch list. Explore alternatives to Hulu's original content. Consider using free streaming platforms for specific shows or movies. Use Hulu's personalized recommendations to discover new content. This may help you maximize your investment in the service. Evaluate if you truly need add-ons such as HBO Max or Showtime. These usually come at an additional cost. Finally, periodically reassess your subscription. Make changes as needed to ensure you are getting the best value from Hulu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.